By chance, I came across a very profitable niche, so I decided to create a book within that niche. Hello and welcome, my name is Romney, I'm the founder of Global Self-Publishing. Global Self-Publishing is a website where you can get all the information you need about your self-publishing, both with Amazon KDP and Ingram Spark. So let's get into the video. I'm going to show you the particular niche that is very, very profitable if you create the right book. But before we even go any further, let's look at this niche. Let's establish why it's a profitable niche and why this particular book I've created could really work well for you. So remember, whenever you're doing your niche research, make sure you're in incognito mode. I use KDSPY and also Publisher Rocket for my niche research. If you wanted more details about those two software programs that you'll see when I do my niche research, just check out the links below. And there's also a bonus course that I provide when you use my affiliate link. So what you need to do is go up here and say back and forth journal and just go enter. Then what we're going to do is have a look at some of the books that are currently ranked well. So this one here, Just Between You and Me Kid, is ranked at 3,247. This one, 1,252 as a BSR. So they're ranked very well. If we go to KDSPY and actually have a look at the overall rankings, you'll see that they're doing particularly well. And the average sales rank is amazing. So let's just wait for this to load up. You can see as the numbers tick over, it's going to be ranked under 150,000 BSR, or even over under 100 BSR, which is what we're looking for. Competition might be a little bit higher, but that's okay. It says that there's high competition, but there's also great popularity and excellent potential for the particular keywords we're looking for. What we also want to do is to review or have a look at the reviews. We're looking for books that rank under about 150,000, which have less than, say, 150 reviews. So we can tick the box with this one. There's 18. That's the back and forth journal for couples. This one, back and forth journal for husband and wife. This one here, a couples back and forth journal, husband, wife, and back and forth journal. So there's a few husband and wife books. This one here, parent back and forth journal. So you can see that these books are ranking very, very well. They've got a good average sales rank. If we were to do the sales rank, but what we want to do is to get rid of probably the bottom three. We call them the outliers, where they might be books that have been created in this niche, but they're not particularly well executed, and the BSR ranking might be quite high. So we want to discount them. So we'll get rid of those two. And the average sales rank without the two, we'll call them the worst ranked books, is an average of 78,000, which is fantastic. That's in the USA region. So I'm using KDSPY to get all this data. So what we can also do is we can track these books. We can look when the date when it was published, the number of monthly sales, revenue, etc. So what I have then gone ahead is looked at these books, finding out, well, what do they look like? What are the covers like? What are the reviews like? The rankings, how many pages? We've also looked at the different reviews they've done on videos. So you can see these ones with images. You can see all of that information, and you can go back and check out the other books as well. So mother and daughter, mother and son. There's the couples journals Between Mum and Me. That's a very popular book. Let's have a look at this one right here. So we go into it. It's a #1 bestseller. And what we want to do is to check out also the different categories that these books are ranking under. So they've done some good A+ content. Scrolling down, it's 144 pages, the reading age, and you can see the 3 different categories. Now, write those categories down. If you're wanting to publish a book in this area, make sure you write these categories down. It's a niche that has been explored, but could be the opportunity you need to get into this market here. So let's scroll back up again, and we're going to do one other look. We're going to go a shared journal for mother and son, or a shared journal for a father and son. So let's go to Publisher Rocket now, and we're going to have a look at that. So what we do is go to keyword research. We'll just say back and forth journal. Let's go get them Rocket. And what we do is go down here and just make sure we tick all the appropriate boxes. And then what we want to do is to check out the estimated Amazon searches and the competitive score. So we can go back down here. You can see if you did, we'll do father and son pass back and forth. And let's have a look at these rankings here. And then what we also want to do is to go into the Amazon search pages with Rocket. This will identify the different books and what they're generating. So monthly sales, 1,730, 2,320, keep going down, 13,000, that's for the mother and son journal. You can see the popularity of this niche. If you create a unique book in this niche and you do the marketing the right way and you publish the book the right way, then there's no reason why you can't have success with it. It is, as you can see, the data points to this book having some real need by customers. Yes, the competition might be high, but as you can see with the KDSPY results, it's mixed a little bit. There's no, I think it's diluted with those overall results. I think there's still room for a book like this to succeed. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you visit my website, globalselfpublishing.com, and all the best with your publishing. If you're looking for more niche research videos, then make sure you go to my YouTube channel, Global Self Publishing with Romney Nelson. What you need to do is go to the little search button here and type niche research. Then this will bring up a lot of different videos which I've created in regards to KDSPY using Publisher Rocket. There's also different insight tools using Publisher Rocket. There's tutorials, there's a niche research weekly series I did, plus much, much more. So ensure you go to my YouTube channel, help me get to 30,000 subscribers. I'm almost there, 300 to go. So hopefully by the time this video comes out, then I'll be very close to hitting that 30,000 mark. All the best, and thank you very much for visiting my YouTube channel.